Feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight.
Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name's Amanda and I'm so glad that you're here. Please make sure you go ahead and subscribe to my channel before you leave. I post videos on Tuesdays and Fridays. Also, make sure you're following me on Instagram where I post pretty much every single day about plus size fashion and makeup. Let's go ahead and jump into today's video. So in today's video, we have our monthly video that we do, and it is our Boxycharm unboxing. I haven't even opened or cut the seal yet on this box. If you guys are not familiar with Boxycharm, or if you're new here, Boxycharm is a monthly subscription box that comes, it's normally like makeup and skincare. Sometimes you'll have like hair care products, stuff like that. I know recently there's been a lot of changes on Boxycharm, but I still just get the regular Boxycharm, and then every quarter, which I believe is like every 3 or 4 months, I do get BoxyLuxe. So this one is just the regular Boxycharm. This is the February box, and on this card it has basically like it tells you everything that's inside the box, and it tells you the price of everything, and then a lot of times they'll have coupons and stuff. I never look at this card normally. I like to pull stuff out and be surprised to see what's in here. The first thing I see in here is the Luxie Complete Sponge Set, Bake, Contour, and Detail. I have never really liked any sponges that I've ever gotten from any other company besides just the Real Technique sponges. Those are the ones I use on a regular basis. And then I also like the Beauty Blender. Don't know how I'm gonna feel about these little sponges. I've had quite a few things from Luxie Beauty. We get stuff from them all the time, and most of the time I like the stuff that comes from Luxie Beauty. Most of the time they are brushes, and I have quite a few of the brushes over here that I use on a regular basis. The MSRP on those sponges are $40. The next thing I see in here is Kate Somerville Skin Health Experts. I'm pretty sure Kate Somerville stuff is really expensive, and it's, I believe, pretty good. I'm pretty sure I've heard about this from other people before. This is a serum. MSRP on this is $98, so yeah, it's definitely expensive. I'm always here for a good skincare product. That's one thing I like about Boxycharm, is we get full-size products, and a lot of times it's name brands like this. We get a lot of like Dr. Brands and all kinds of different things, so I'm excited about this. I'm definitely pretty conscious about doing good skincare. I don't think like I'll try it in this video just because you can't really tell with skincare. And the next item I see is Pure. I am not a huge fan of Pure. We've gotten quite a few things from them, and I know they sell them like in Ulta, but I just don't really like their stuff. This is the 4-in-1 Correcting Primer. Energize and Rescue with aloe, coconut water, and probiotics. It's silicone free. The MSRP on this is $17. I don't know if I'm going to use this. I might pass this one on to my mom. I do have pretty oily skin, and most of the time like I have to use like a mattifying primer. Not my fave. Next up I see, ooh, I've never heard of this before, Mika Supernova Moisture and Shine Cream. It's like super brighten in your face, like, oh, it reminds me of like 70s psychedelic, man. Totally. This is the Supernova Moisture and Shine Cream. MSRP of this is $25. Oh, it's for your hair. So this is a leave-in conditioner for your hair. That's nice because I have crazy dry hair, and so I can always use a leave-in conditioner. Let's see what this one smells like. Ooh, it's not sealed. Not cool. Smells good. I don't really know what exactly it smells like, but it does smell pretty good, so that's nice. Let's put a little bit of it in our hair. And as I said, the MSRP of this is $25. That's expensive. Hopefully it's good. I don't know. The last thing that I see in here is Moda Pro by Royal and Langnickel. We've had quite a few brush sets from Royal and Langnickel, not in a long time. We've basically just been getting like Luxie brushes for like the longest time. It's a pack of brushes. It kind of reminds me of brushes that you would, like a package that you would see like at Michael's, like the craft store, like, okay, here's your brushes. Let's go paint now. They're 100% vegan, cruelty-free, no animal products used. Looks like we have a smudger brush, a crease brush, a line brush, a detail brush. I can always use new brushes because I'm lazy and I never want to clean my brushes. But is it just me? Let me know down in the comments if you guys are lazy brush cleaners like I am. The handles are like, can you guys hear it? Like little bumps on it. Not sure how I feel about that. That probably isn't like very comfortable in your hand, but most of the brushes that we get in Boxycharm are very good quality. Like, I'm pulling on the bristles and none of them are coming out. The MSRP on this is $27.95, which that's not too bad. It's around the same price as what you would get for like some Morphe brushes, which I love Morphe brushes. That was everything that we got in our Boxycharm. There wasn't really anything for me to try out. Everything has pretty much been skincare and hair care or brushes lately. It's not been a lot of makeup. I have not been really feeling Boxycharm lately. The reason why I got Boxycharm was to try new makeup, but lately there's been no makeup. There was no makeup in this box at all. It was all skincare or something for your hair. There was these little sponges. This is like the only thing that I could test. So I'm pretty much not gonna test the stuff out for this box. This is probably like one of the shortest unboxings ever that I've ever done before. I don't know how I feel about Boxycharm lately, you guys. I feel like they have too much going on and there's too many different things that they can like send you. If you guys do Boxycharm, have you guys noticed that there's so many different options now for Boxycharm? And I know a lot of people are getting different things. Like my mom got a completely different box than I did. And I don't know, I don't really like that. I kind of liked that everybody got the same thing. I don't like how somebody can get like a super awesome box and then someone can get like a crap box. I feel like there's too much room for error. I feel like there's too many variables. I don't know. I don't really like it. So this one I would say is definitely my favorite product that we got out of the box. My least favorite product I would have to say is probably this Pure primer. I just don't like Pure. There's nothing that we've received from Pure that I've been like, oh my god, this is my favorite. Just kind of like bleh products. I don't know. Is that what you guys have experienced with Pure products? The overall MSRP of this box was $207.95. That's a pretty good value for only paying, I believe I still paid $21 a month. It might have raised to $25. I'm not sure. I think I saw something about it raising. Hopefully these sponges are good though. I don't know. Did you guys try out those Morphe sponges? Some people love their Morphe sponge, like they have super great ratings, and then other people hate them. I tried the Morphe sponge and it was terrible. It like was like bouncing a rock on your face. I'm not joking. Like that sounds dramatic, but mine was so hard. Even it felt like I didn't even get it wet at all. It was so weird. I don't know like why people love it so much, but it was terrible. So these ones feel pretty soft actually. They feel really similar to the Real Technique ones that I have. And this one's so cute. It's so tiny. So hopefully these ones are good. I definitely don't think I'll be using them for what they're used for, like precision baking, all that kind of stuff, if we're being honest. I don't have time for that. Just another disappointing Boxycharm box after another. I'm just like so not impressed lately. Is there any other boxes that you guys know about that you want me to try? Let me know down in the comments if there's other boxes that are better than Boxycharm. I just went on the website and I wanted to give you guys a heads up on all the different box options that they have now. I haven't looked and I've been saying I'm gonna look for a while, so I decided to go on and look really quick. And basically they have 3 different options. For regular Boxycharm, it's $25 a month. I used to pay $21, and so I guess they upped it to $25. The Boxy Luxe is $50 quarterly, or you can up your Boxycharm to Boxycharm Premium, which is $35 monthly. And so regular Boxycharm for the $25 gets you 5 items that are full sized, and Boxy Luxe gives you 8+ items, and Boxycharm Premium gives you 6 to 7 items. Apparently you can choose an item in your Boxycharm now. I did not know about that, so I'm definitely going to go on to Boxycharm's website and choose my one item, because I have Boxycharm and I also do Boxy Luxe, so you get 3 items, and you can customize, you can do add-ons, Boxy pop-up rewards on all of them. And then the value for Boxycharm is normally over $125, Boxy Luxe is over $275, and Boxycharm Premium is over $175 that you get in value. And then the other things that have changed is I know people get different things in their boxes, whereas before everybody pretty much got the same stuff, which I'm not a fan of. As I said, test the complexion swatch pack sent in your Boxy and complete the complexion feedback form. That's new. I never did that when I first signed up for Boxycharm. Receive foundation or concealer products better matched to your skin in a future Boxycharm. We did get some concealer in our Boxycharm last month that was way too dark for me. So that's pretty much everything that has changed since I went on there. I'm still doing just the regular Boxycharm, and then every 3 months I do the Boxy Luxe box. But since the Boxy Luxe box came, they did add the premium, which I don't really think the premium's really worth it that much, because it's only like $50. It's only $50 more value, because it goes from $125 to $175 in like the value of the box. I don't think it's really worth it for an extra $10. I don't think so. And you only get either one extra product or two. So it goes from 5 in the regular Boxycharm, and then it goes from 6 to 7 in the premium Boxycharm. I don't think it's really worth me upgrading to the premium, but I just wanted to let you guys know what the different options were for Boxycharm if you were curious, or if you're like me and you're lazy and you didn't feel like looking it up. There you go, I looked it up for you guys. So just thought I would add that in for you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please make sure you go ahead and subscribe to my channel before you leave. I post videos on Tuesdays and Fridays. Also, make sure you're following me on Instagram. I post there pretty much every single day about plus size fashion and makeup. As always, remember, be your own kind of beautiful, and toodles for now. There's nothing worse than doing your eyeshadow and just having like little stray eyeshadow brush strands. There's nothing worse than there's nothing worse than little eyeshadow brush hairs like getting in your eye, or like, oops. Take two. I have not even